Guys, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to boost your Twitch live stream views, and it's very easy. All you need to do is for you to come to this platform. I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. It's called growbetter.net. The link is in the description. All you need to do is to tap on the link, and it will take you to the website and do exactly the same thing I'm going to be doing in this video. So the first thing we need to do is for us to create an account. If you want to create an account in this platform, what you need to do is to come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to bring you to this place where you're going to be creating a username. And once you create a username, come to this place, put your email, and come to this place, put your password, and confirm your password right here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. Easy peasy. But due to because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right now is for me to actually log into my account and show you guys exactly how you can be able to boost your Twitch live stream views. So let's go. So right now, I've logged into my account. As you can see right here, when you create an account, this is exactly how it looks like. The first thing we need to do is for us to come to this category. If you come to this category, you just need to come right here and scroll down and look for Twitch live stream views. But for you to make it easier, all you need to do is to come to this search up here. Can you see this search up here? Tap on it and search Twitch. And once you touch on it, you can see they will bring to Twitch categories right here. So right here you can see Twitch video view. Can you see? You don't need to select it. And once you select it, right, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? You don't need to tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will see different minutes. You can see 60 minutes. You can see 120 minutes. You can see 180 minutes. Depending on how many minutes you actually want your live stream to last. So if your live stream is lasting for only 60 minutes, which is 1 hour, just select 60 minutes and read the description. Description is actually what describes the service. Right here they say the minimum you can order is 1, the max you can order is 5,000 views, and right here they say broadcast must be open before ordering. So you must be live on your Twitch before ordering for these viewers, right? And right here they say stay on the broadcast for at least 1 hour, right? And that's right here they say the link that you need to actually do this is your Twitch. Like the link is https:// or www.twitch.tv/channel name, which is your channel name, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you copy your link very well. Right here they say it is mandatory to take a screenshot if any problem that may occur in your order. Otherwise, a return is not possible and a return request will never be met. The time must be visible in the screenshot, otherwise a refund cannot be provided. Screenshot taken outside the order period is not acceptable. Alright, so right there they also said when the service is busy, the speed of starting the process might change, right? Do not place a second order on the same link until your order is completed. So what I really mean right here is that you need to follow all this process, right? Make sure that you use the right link, right, which is the link example they gave you. And when you place an order, exercise patience, your order is going to start, right? Do not place another order. Some people, when they place order, if the order delay a little bit, they will want to place another order. No, exercise patience is going to work, because if you place another order, it's going to contradict it and none of them is going to work, right? So this place the road link is where you put your Twitch link. So all you need to do is just to come right here and paste your link. So once you paste your link, right, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this place, the road quantity, and add order, enter the amount of viewers you want. If it's 100, if it's 1,000, if it's 2,000, if it's 3,000, just enter it. And the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this place and click on submit, right? And once you click on submit, you see this, your order has been received, and all you need to do is to exercise patience. These viewers will start coming to your stream. But you need to understand that in this platform, whatever you're doing is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how do you fund account in this platform is very easy. All you need to do is for you to come to this 3 line up here. Can you see the 3 line up here? Tap on it and come to this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, right, you can see this dot right here. Can you see this dot? Tap on it and you will see 2 payment options in this platform, which is Cora Pay and manual. So when you select Cora Pay, just enter the amount and click on this pay right here. Can you see this pay? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, Cora Pay is going to ask you how would you like to pay. All right, you can see my network is a little bit slow, but you see. All right, they say how would you like to pay? Would you like to pay with debit card, bank transfer, or bank? If you select debit card, put your card details and click on pay. If you select bank transfer, right, read this instruction right here and click on I understand instruction and click on this continue right here, and the Cora Pay is going to provide account number, right? You can see the account number. All you need to do is to make payment to the account number. You don't need to do anything, and this payment is going to processed in your balance, and it's going to reflect to your Grow Better balance. Easy peasy. So if you want to use manual, all you need to do is for you to come select manual and read the instruction right here. They say, can you make payment to the account number below? You can see the account number, you can see the beneficiary. They say do not send below 1,000 because it's going to be refunded. It said provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin contact us. So all you need to do is to come make payment to this account number and send them your proof of payment and your Grow Better username. How do you send it? Either you click on this contact us or click on this WhatsApp icon right here, and it will take you to the WhatsApp number. Send them proof of payment and your Grow Better username. So this is exactly how to fund account in this platform, right? So all you need to do if you want to boost your Twitch or live stream view is to come to this platform, create an account, and follow this step the same way I just show you guys, and you are going to be able to boost your live stream views through easy peasy. So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video.